If you've watched the last couple of videos, you now know two things: what an AI agent is and what MCP is. But here's the question that trips everyone up. How do they fit together? Are they competitors? Is it agents versus MCP? By the end of this video, you'll see exactly how they team up. And honestly, once it clicks, the whole AI world suddenly makes a lot more sense. Let's do a 5-second recap, because it makes everything after this easy. An AI agent is the part that thinks. You give it a goal, and it plans the steps, makes decisions, and figures out what to do next. MCP is the part that connects. It's the universal standard that lets an AI plug into your actual tools, your calendar, your files, your apps. So here's the big idea, and it's the whole video in one sentence. The agent is the brain. MCP is the hands. One decides what to do. The other is how it actually reaches out and does it. They're not rivals. They're two halves of the same machine. Let me make that real. Picture an AI agent as a brilliant new employee on their first day. Sharp, motivated, full of ideas. But there's a catch. They're locked in an empty office with no phone, no computer, no keys to anything. All that brain power, and they can't actually touch a single thing. That's an agent with no tools. Smart and completely stuck. Now MCP walks in and hands them the keys. Suddenly there's a phone that works, a computer that's logged in, access to the calendar and the files. Same brilliant employee, but now they can actually do the job. MCP didn't make the agent smarter. It gave it hands. Let's watch them work together on something simple. Schedule a meeting with my team next week. The agent, the brain, takes that goal and makes a plan. Step 1, check who's free. Step 2, find a slot. Step 3, send the invite. Good plan. But a plan alone doesn't book anything. This is where MCP does its thing. For each step, the agent reaches for a tool through MCP. It calls the calendar tool to check availability. It calls the email tool to send the invite. MCP is the standard socket that lets the agent plug into each of those apps without anyone hand-building a special connection. The agent decides, MCP delivers. And here's the beautiful part, the loop. The agent thinks of a step, uses MCP to act on it, sees the result, and decides the next step. Think, plug in, act, repeat. The brain and the hands working in a rhythm until the goal is done. That teamwork, that loop, is basically what everyone means when they say the fancy phrase, Agentic AI. So let's kill the confusion for good. It was never agents versus MCP. That's like asking, which is better, your brain or your hands? You need both. An agent without MCP is a genius with no way to act. MCP without an agent is a set of tools with nobody deciding how to use them. Together, they're an AI that can actually get things done in the real world. And that's the shift that makes 2026 such a big deal. For years, AI could only talk. Give it a brain, that's the agent. Give it hands, that's MCP. Put them together, and you finally get AI that doesn't just describe the work, it does the work. So that's how they connect. The agent is the brain that plans and decides. MCP is the standard that gives it hands to reach your tools. Not versus, but teammates. Next up, we stop talking about this and actually build one, a real MCP tool, from scratch, with no code. You've been climbing from A to AI, and you just connected two of the biggest pieces. Subscribe, and I'll see you at the next one.